Gary Hall began working at Cedarville University in 1993 as an electrician. Gary attended Baptist Bible College before graduating from Jamestown Community College with an associate degree in electrical technology. He then worked in the IBEW union as a journeyman electrician for 8 years before coming to the university. Through these experiences, he gained significant knowledge and experience in industrial, commercial, and residential projects. Gary and his wife Joyce have been married for 40 years. Their 3 grown children have all graduated from Cedarville University. He is a member of Shawnee Hills Baptist Church, where he serves in Awana, as a deacon on the audio team, and as a member of the security team. Gary is a faithful volunteer at many of the university's sporting events, including cross country, track and field, soccer, and basketball. In his spare time, Gary likes spending time with his family, golfing, and camping. Gary has also gone on 20 stateside mission trips related to disaster relief services. Gary's dedication and work ethic have made Cedarville University a better place and a safer place. He works with the fire department on electrical issues and coordinates the monthly testing of the emergency generators on campus. During his time here, Gary has installed more than 20 miles of data and telephone wire and changed 250,000 light bulbs. The most challenging, until the recent renovation, was changing the light bulbs in the chapel using a 30-foot pole with a suction cup attached. Obviously, he appreciates the LED lights that are now installed. Thank you, Gary, for your 30 years of service at Cedarville University.